Hi everyone, today is November 7th, 2024. We're strolling along through Costco today and saw these HexClad Hybrid Revolution series and ended up getting a couple of them because we've had our eye on them and just wanted to do a quick unboxing. So we have the 7-piece and a 6-piece set. The 7-piece is $399 and the 6-piece is $299.
$379.
Oh, $379, I apologize. Let's see. What do you get for a Costco HexClad set? One lid. It's nice packaging.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
This is the 8-inch, I believe.
We've done a lot of research, asked a lot of people, and everyone who's had it for many years, everyone's so happy with it. So we thought we'd invest in it finally and try it out.
And seeing that it's Costco, if we don't like it, we can take it back.
This is the bonus wok. Not all sets have it with it. And this lid works with the large pan and the wok.
Yeah, well, you get that only when you buy it from Costco, right? As a bonus?
I think so,
Yep.
yes.
Is that the medium-sized pan?
Yes, this is the medium, I believe. This is the medium lid.
Just so you can get a perspective. Medium lid, perfect. So what makes it 7 pieces? Sorry, this was a very impromptu unboxing, so we're not professional videographers. Just want to show you what you would get if you were to buy it from Costco and as opposed to hexclad.com. So this is what, the large frying pan?
Mm-hmm, that's the large one. And this goes for both.
Okay, so the lid from the wok goes to the large frying pan, right?
And that's it.
And
for
that's it. So let's set these up in order. So if you can see, small, medium, large, and then you get the free wok, and the lid fits on the wok. The large lid from the large frying pan fits on the wok as well. So, all right, now we're moving on to the...
And they said it can be stackable. And what were the 4 bullet points?
She mentioned that you should register them and season them prior to using them.
Mm-hmm. Register them, season them, don't heat it too much.
Yeah. Don't heat it beyond 500 degrees, although they are rated till 900, you said. Don't know how official that is.
You can bake, you can cook with them.
Yep.
You can bake with them up to, high degrees.
That's not bad, actually. It's stacked up very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, moving on to the...
These are the pots.
The pot set. So this is a separate set by itself, and this cost how much?
This,
$2.99, right?
yeah, this is the $2.99. They
So-
also have a new set that came with this flat, like a pancake type of pan.
Which
a
we didn't
tiny
buy.
saucepan, yeah, and another new, really nice size, but yeah, we didn't buy that one. I felt like it would be extra.
They stick one size that you need with a couple that you don't, and
Yeah,
try to sell you a giant set.
This, I love sizes like this.
Perfect. This is like your
Oh,
everyday
this is not its
saucepan.
own.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah. Maybe that's for this one.
It's nice. They all come in their own little baggie.
Pouches, yeah.
And gets its own.
Yeah. We should know. And then there's a number on here, she said.
Yeah, each one of them has a serial number.
Right there. The tiny number
Yeah,
right
you
there.
can't see it from here.
These,
Next.
I don't know what the sizes are. Maybe you can.
Let me see. How to season, basically low heat and performance.
So this is non-stick, cast iron, stainless steel mix. The whole set.
Yeah, she said something about charcoal.
No.
Yeah.
She said non-stick stainless steel cast iron mix. This one's for that.
Okay.
And then the last one is this large one.
That's like for a pasta or something, right?
Yeah. Oh, I wish it came with that strainer.
That's pretty
Yep.
nice.
Okay. So it's a 6
1, 2, 3.
piece because it's including the
So this
lids.
is just these 3 here alone are one set, right? So there's 3 saucepans or 2 saucepans and a pasta, or a larger one. And then on this side, this set, we had 1, 2, 3.
I can.
Yeah, if you could take them apart, that'd be great. Stackable.
And then this one's for that one.
There you go. So you get 1, 2, 3. That one has a bonus if you buy it from Costco. All this is one set, and we paid $3.79,
74.
I believe.
379.
Yep. So
379 and 299.
$2.99 for this particular set of the pots. All right. Well, we'll let you guys know how we feel about them once we start using them, but just wanted to give a view of the unboxing and what it actually looked like. Okay. All right. All the best.